Hello everyone, welcome to Gigi and Pawpaw's Kitchen.
Hi kids. Today we're going to be making some homemade shrimp fried rice.
All right.
So we're going to start with adding some butter. Oops. All right.
How much butter you add there, G?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons into the skillet.
Yes, sir. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of just vegetable oil. We're going to get that going. And then we're going to add our eggs first. Yes, sir. Add some pepper to the eggs. And I'm just going to scramble these just a little bit. Getting happy up in here. And we'll go ahead and go in with them. We're only going to be in here a few minutes. Maybe a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I've already got the eggs scrambled. I have them setting over there. I have just a little bit of oil and some butter. And I'm going to take a half of a chicken bouillon cube. Now that sounds weird. I just don't have any of the other chicken stuff. So I'm going to add some garlic powder in here. Go in with some onion powder. I like to toast the spices. A little bit of paprika. Some cayenne pepper. Shaker size. Ooh. And some of this spicy curry sauce, or spice.
We hope everyone's having a wonderful day.
Yes, we do.
Hope you're healthy, happy, safe. And we thank you for taking your time to watch our videos.
I'm going with about a tablespoon of garlic.
Tablespoon of garlic.
Oh, you gotta smell them.
The spices sure smell good.
I'm gonna go in with half of our onions.
What kind of onions,
Our
G?
green onions, spring onions, whatever you want to call them. And then I'm going to go in with, let's see, a little bit of sesame oil, which I only like just a little bit. We're going just a tad. I'm going with about a tablespoon of the rice wine vinegar. That will deglaze the pan. Smell that, that smells good. I have some good old soy sauce. Oh, is it not coming out? Guess I'm gonna get. Okay, we're gonna put in some soy sauce. Yep. Drizzle soy. And then now I'm going to go in with my carrots. So just some carrots I put in my little cheese grater.
She sure smells good.
I'm gonna go in with some frozen baby peas. Cook this up for a few minutes.
We just got us a pan of rice here that's cold.
Now these are some frozen shrimp. Took the tails off of. Cut them up.
They're not going to cook long, so.
No, cook long at all.
They're not overdone.
Bit of some stir-fry marinade sauce.
Going in with some stir fry.
About how much?
There you go.
A little bit of extra flavor.
Yes, ma'am. Boy, this is sure smelling good, y'all.
Real good. Cook these shrimp for just about a minute, and then we're going to go in with our rice.
Now she's going in with her rice.
Going in with our rice, our cold leftover rice, jasmine rice, guys.
That's why all we use is jasmine.
So delicious.
A lot of people like different kind of rice. We're just a jasmine rice, and make sure that you wash your rice real good.
I can't believe how dirty that your rice is.
Yeah, it blew me away. When Gigi showed me how dirty rice is, it blew me away.
There's the other. I'm gonna stop up there. Yummy, yummy. Smells so
Sure
good.
wish y'all was here to smell this. Please give us a try. It's super easy.
And here's our
Eggs
eggs.
going back in. That way they'll be fried up real good.
So I don't like to cook them all the way when I first cook the eggs.
Another way, our shrimp ain't overdone them.
No, I don't want the shrimp overdone. I don't want the eggs rubbery or the shrimp.
Absolutely. Man, it sure smells good.
Kids, it smells so good here. Go on with some regular black pepper.
Yep. And you have your meal. Yeah, look at that.
There we go.
There we go.
Add a few more scallions on top.
Scallions.
And guess what, kids? It's dinner.
Absolutely. Time to eat.
Thanks so much for joining us. We hope that you try it. Have a blessed day and a happy day. We love you. Bye.
Absolutely. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed day. Please leave us a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.